guys, we're back with we're back with this tutorial, and yeah, the part 3 got cut. My recording got cut, so I'm making the other half now. So we just this is the knockback code, which where we left off last time in the last video. This is it. Now we're gonna have yeah, and I forgot. There's this thing we what I did is just basically there's this thing set y to 60 and set gravity to -1. Okay, but here I did this. There is like 1 in 3 chance of a flying enemy. And let me just change the gravity a little bit and make him a little rarer. Okay, now what we're gonna do is drag out another. When I start as a clone, we are gonna forever, we're gonna take a forever loop. And now, yeah, and I made this full screen variable. I'll tell you what it does. But for now, if else, and then another if else. So here, if we are touching the lights, then we just set the ghost effect to something that makes it visible. I'll choose 70. And yeah, here we don't want to hide it. We want set the ghost effect to 100. We are not gonna hide it, okay? Now here, if full screen equals 1, where is it? Here. If full screen equals 1, then let's set ghost effect to 25. And I'll make this 25. Actually make this 30. Yeah. Now in the lights, I just did this one. It's same here, but I just added this piece of code. So basically, set full screen to 0. If full screen is 1, set the ghost effect to 100. Else, we set the basic thing which we want it to be, which is 20. So yeah, it looks like this now. That's it. And I think I didn't add enemy damage. So yeah, we have this player HP sprite and whoa, what what is happening? Okay, and then we have if touching players, change HP by minor player HP minor, and go to the player sprite and lag is clicked. We are gonna set the player HP to uh, I choose this. I choose 100 HP and change this to -1. Now we're gonna be adding the rest next episode. That's all I wanted to show, and I'll just show some gameplay now. Whoa! See, it is flying. Where? Yeah, and I added this customization feature. If my username is this, then okay. So we're just gonna use this full screen variable and see how the flying enemies work. Wow. Gee. Basically work like this. That's a lot of enemies, bruh. Wah! Stop! Shut up! Just stop. That my eyes hot now.